guys, we're going to start a whole new series of videos that we'll be uploading. So make sure you like and subscribe and click the bell, showing you how we transformed this whole area from just overgrown shrubs and briars and weeds to gardens and raised beds and arches and chickens and rabbits and fruit trees and just all that good stuff. You're really going to enjoy these series of videos coming, so make sure that you stay tuned. Okay, we have a pasture of weeds, trees, and thickets. Going to clear the land, make it fruitful, get some livestock, some fruit trees, some gardens on it, and see what we can do with these overgrown plots of weeds.